My people, e don happen again, e don burst o. No be small something, my people, no be small wahala, no be small katakata. Na e dey grand. Make una carry una jokote sit down, come lis ten to this one, my people. E don set, everywhere don scatter. Jpac comedy don come out for Oga Jik, my people. No be small thing. E say Jik na small boy, na boy. Say that dey buy motor, dey give am. Say Oga Jik, say na that one na e dey use take cover im mouth. Say the time when Ezeobi dey call am say e na omo say ọ na-akpọ ntu. Say e dey sweet dem. E say e get microscope. E get wetin e dey use take dey view dem. All their secrets. Say now e go expose everything about dem. How dem take dey waka, e dey see everything. Say e go leak everything, my people. No be small thing. As I cross this video, I watch Dr. Lies. No be small matter. Make una just hear wetin dey happen for inside this video. So when Jpac drop, my people, the matter, I no know who go settle this one. Make una just hear everything for the horse's mouth.
Oga Jik, Chineke amekwe ka ebi moto ebi. Aye ebi go me oya abo from a responsible somebody. Give us a big moto for the first time in your life. Moto is you no wow free and you dash for promoting evil. For promoting evil in the land of our neighbor. On error, I want case of reforms and pala 1.5 million naira. Atokoro go be Ezeobi. Na ndị dibia niile na-arụ ọrụ atọkọrọ ga ego wee mee roofing. Ịpụtawuru ọkọmkpụrụ akwụ nwaanyị nụrụ ego dị ka akwa ọkọ nyere gị atọkọrọ ga ego je mụọ nwaanyị ịbụ ọha bịa nyene mena ga na ha ama aka. So gị na ọ gaghị bụ Ezeobi o duiri gị as a errand boy. Do you know that you keep on being an errand boy to that big for nothing called your guy Ezeobi? He a errand boy or you sign forever and ever because he indebted to him. If you go there on the boom the boy born you cannot say it because of what? Ojigo moto Toyota Corolla we may share on. And I cannot blame you. You are doing your work but mind you, it's Jik, mind you and that yoga put together. I am more than conquerors. I can remove the deal. Put together spiritual realm. Oh, Ozi. Jpac on your buntu. No problem. Let us analyze it now. Jpac on your buntu. That means na most of the friends here Ezeobi as you claim na hana akumu, which means na habu can talk on tuna because you cannot exclude some people. So whenever you see me together with another person, or they from Monapa, or Lagos, or Abuja, which means now you are indirectly calling everybody in the Ubuntu. You don't know how to talk because you are not mature, you are an illiterate. You mark it say and Nandedibia, they never go. Nandedibia, they never go. Until you show us evidence and proof. If not, everybody are working the room, say my family, everybody put up in the planet Earth. For you to open your gutter and dirty mouth, for you and Ezeobi, do you know that I have his voice call? Don't worry, Ejim 12 minutes voice call of Ezeobi, Oga Ezeobi, sendrege, kiebia false information. You have failed. You have failed. Juo Gaya Ezeobi, how many times on the phone begging me? Now you may go nekoya kum. Can go say by war. Where's Ezeobi? I am unbribable. And I really thank God that all the calls and the conversation between me and Ezeobi, they recorded. Because I knew a day like this will come. Do you think I'm not smart? I am smart because I know the plans of you all. Do you think I look like other bloggers? After 1 month, I'm not because transaction successful. I can never sell my soul, sell myself, kobo. or happy woman or downtrodden because of illiterate I got school. No, because when you rubbish the person, I just pity those people. Na baba ga do no war, no kata kwose egbo no war. Kubezi ezigbo okwu n'isi unu. Egwudo montogo, obugwa da ego abia ha, agba akwu no war again. Ewe je wetekwa ego, ekwubekwa ezigbo okwu n'isi unu. Those people, they are making themselves irrelevant again. They can never be relevant. Wasn't how you again on social media. People they believe here because no ji data ha, unu ji alert ha, unu ji conversation ha. But some of the mess it up. Unu ji tools, unu ji agwa ha kanchi. Jpac I don't like that. But Ezeobi push you carry again. Emana men came say, why didn't you call the person? I block him. After that day, I block him na WhatsApp, block him na direct call. He cannot get me. We see through people, they say as na bom say Ezeobi. Na Ezeobi, na bom na phone. Na ajumu kedi haye medem kan go say wa go. Ezeobi ji onu ekwu na o ma na guy ka ọ na-arụ. E na nji voice gị. E ma na e ngoro nkwu that day, na bi ji ekwu na e ma na guy ka na-arụ. I have all your voice. Man, castigate your fellow DBS. I have them. Just as you been push you can and they push you. But some man to that audio, 12 minutes audio, internet ya body. All the native doctor need mandine hana man the closest friends here need Ezeobi Gion finish hanine. Omar Muji the voice. Thank God for food now and thank God for keeping record. Nya push baby, he then about war. In a batakata abosia war. More batakata abosia. And secondly, tell your master Ezeobi, any day, otoro gara, otoro yoro, otoro joro, going wrong, we may pay phone, snow them a video, we make all debunk if I'm. Any day he would dare debunk it, I'm just respecting everybody. Any day you put the phone in the bunk where I will be forced to play all his voice notes to the public. I'm just ranking it as a warning. But someone will be rubbish against me. I'll be forced to play all his voice notes. It was a cut of the whole debate. Don't worry, I have your voice note, I have your data and the evidence. Come no pin na Facebook. It's not Jpac say, I told you, Ezeobi before I will forgive you. It's on Bobafa. Ndiri na pona azum. Man didn't able friends na pona azuna upon na phone. Ndiri Ezeobi made him. Mwebe hagwa Ezeobi. No ya but may open apology to me. I deserve it for calling me on your own too. If not, Ezeobi okumuna na abu ya digide o ebe. For you to come and be deceiving the gullible. Now, my Jik, man get a Jiki. Until you use your mouth. Put on social media where same Jpac. I'm very sorry.